Today we're going to change the drill bit on the pillar drill. To do that, first of all, check that the isolation switch is on off. Then open the machine guard. Then take the chuck key, which is hanging on the drill. So you insert the chuck key into the chuck and rotate it anti-clockwise. Sometimes it's a bit stiff and the drill has fallen out. So then replace it, put the 6mm back where you found it, and then take out the 7mm if that's the one you want. Continue to rotate the chuck anti-clockwise until the drill fits in. Then rotate the chuck clockwise and make sure it's nice and tight. And then rotate the chuck to check that the drill is centralized. Then put the chuck key back on the hook on the pillar drill. Then shut the machine guard and you're ready to go.